welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and I'm super excited to be bringing you guys another prom slay. I teamed up with my girl Shanice, and she is doing makeup for this video, and we are basically styling our client based off of this beautiful, sleek, nice form-fitting off the shoulder black dress, and it is super elegant. And so we decided to go with a natural like brown smoky eye for the makeup, and this is typically what somebody would do when they want something to be like really natural but still very elegant. So yeah, we decided to do that for the client. I'm actually going to be styling her natural hair today. So someone asked me if I could do curls on natural hair and if I could do a black off the shoulder dress. So bam, 2 for 1, baby. I always like try to listen to you guys' suggestions. So if you do want to send me any type of dresses, or if you guys need prom ideas, make sure you guys DM me on Instagram. And if you haven't already, make sure you guys check the bottom left corner and follow Shanice on Instagram and show her some love. So for the hair, I'm actually going to be styling her natural hair, and this is her hair on an air dry. I think I literally like took it out of a bun or something. So I did go ahead and re-wet it and blow it out, and then I'm going to go straight into curling. So typically if I'm like not in a rush for time, or depending on the hair texture, I would typically flat iron the entire head and then do my curls, but I'm actually curling as I'm going for this, so I'm curling straight off of the blow dry. And I did that to save time, and just because I wanted her hair to have a little bit more texture so that her curls would hold a lot longer, since I mean this is for prom, so she's gonna want to rock this all night. And yeah, I don't know if I already said that it was quicker, but it's quicker. And I did talk about efficiency in one of my last videos, because typically when I'm styling for prom, I may have like 3 or 4 clients for that day, so I need to make sure that I'm efficient and I'm getting them out in a timely manner, because y'all know the day of prom, like 50,000 things are going on. So yeah. So for hairspray, I'm using Paul Mitchell's Stay Strong, and I like this hairspray just because it has a really nice hold, but it doesn't leave my client's hair super crunchy. So I'm just going to be finishing up those curls, and I did go ahead and do like a side part just to give it a little bit more character. And I'm going to take my fingers and just lightly run them through the curls. I didn't want to break them up too much just because throughout the night I knew that they would get loose anyway. And I do like to tease right at the top of the bang just to give it a little bit of volume. I don't know, I just don't like a flat bang. So that's what I did there, and as you guys can see, her curls are absolutely beautiful. I'm just putting a little serum to lay down the flyaways. I didn't do any baby hairs on her because me personally, when I think very sleek and elegant, I don't like to do baby hairs, but that's definitely like just my own personal opinion. Yeah, I just think it looks soft when it doesn't have any baby hair. So yeah, guys, this here is the finished prom look. We did a beautiful transformation on her. She is just freaking stunning, gorgeous. I told her to pull her shirt off her shoulders so y'all can get like a visual, you know? And yes, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm so excited. I have a couple more prom videos coming for you guys. And I hope you guys are just enjoying prom season. Y'all have been looking so poppin'. Oh my God. And yeah, I will catch you guys in my next video. I'm out.